So, welcome back. We're doing another cleaning video today. Because I feel like since school's starting and like all that stuff, I feel like I just need to get
all this stuff together.
even though I don't go to school, I do take a couple of classes and I'm going to be doing an online school. So, yeah, sort of online. You get me? You feel me? Yeah. Okay. Well, it's sort of like that. But I still have notebooks and stuff, like I'm going to make a vlog about that. But anyways, a few of my siblings may be going to school, so that means I'll be on a routine. So I might not have that much time to get my room cleaned a day. So I want to come up with like an organizing system, and want to try to get my room sort of aesthetic that where I like it for school, and I feel like so that way I'll want to be motivated to do my schoolwork, considering I will be in my room the majority of the day doing schoolwork. So anyways, let's get on with this. So this is what we're dealing with for the closet portion. I mean, it's not that bad. But then over here we've got like this stuff on the ground, and yeah. And then over here I have some like dirty laundry. That thing needs to be cleaned again, even though in my last video I just cleaned it. And then over here we have like, you see those drawers? It's like so bad, like I need to get them organized. And then over there I just kind of want to make my room look aesthetic and decorate it, because I have like these fairy lights, like I don't know where they're at, and I have a few things that I want to decorate with. So yeah. So this is the like thing I just painted. Although they are different shades, which might annoy me a bit, I feel like it may be okay. So now I have to make my desk sort of look cute, because right now it's just kind of plain in blah, but we may be able to make it work. Over there, I think I'm going to put that like kitty corner in, and then my like little, oh, you can't even see like that thing. Well, that thing is like a candle thingy. So I'm gonna get on with organizing in a bit. I'm taking a little bit of a break after doing that, and yeah. Okay, so this is what we got done so far. Over here is my desk, and then all that's organized. Over there is sort of organized, and then over here, that's like all done. And then my bed's obviously not made, and my bed spring is still not on, so yeah. And then that's up, but that's been up for a while. And those are up, and then that I think I might be taking down, but I don't know. Call it spring. Okay, so this is my room afterwards.
Missing someone. Missing someone. Missing someone. With all your heart. Missing someone.
Okay, so in is just my clothes and my box spring, not box spring, the thing that is supposed to go under your bed, but I have to do that. This is my closet, and then there's stuff back there, and then there's like stuff underneath there. You can't see that, but, and then we're going to, and then this is basically just my vanity sort of thing, but I usually get ready over there, so like I'll show you really quick. It's like all that stuff, and like driver's ed thing, and then over underneath there is like all my makeup and stuff, and my brush and stuff like that. And then this is school stuff, some more school stuff, and like other things. Right here is arts things and electronics. My art thing, my bob, my tripod. This is my bookshelf, my books. I've had this in my room since I was really little. That made out of like seashells from North Carolina since 2012, I think that was made, when I was little. That is from Walmart, that little plant. That I painted a while ago. This is like a junk drawer thingy. That is the pictures that I have up there. That's that book right there. Over here is material when I used to be crafty. Up here is like some like string yarn and a Barbie thing. It's like trying to make dresses, but tiny dresses. It looks like a Barbie thing. Right here is some more material, a rosary making thing, something I've had since first grade when I used to go to school. Have not made it yet. Right here is like some more stuff that I have no idea what it is, but basically this whole thing is a mess except this, that is like crayons, color pencils, things like that. And under there is like notebooks and a few things, I don't know. Sewing machine, sewing thing in the back, garbage thing. Back there is poster board things. Yeah, these pictures I'm going to be recreating of my mom in a few more videos, so stay tuned for that. And that's it. Oh, there's some jewelry under there, that like everyday jewelry, and then over there is the things like I scoop out that candle to put in my wax burner, and all my wax burner things over there. So that is it, guys. Thank you guys so much if you lasted this long. Thank you guys so much for staying. Yeah, make sure you guys like and subscribe to my channel if you want to. If you don't want to, it's fine. I'm really sorry about this angle and the lighting in like every single part of this video, but it's like 10 o'clock and I'm getting tired. To wake up tomorrow at 6 a.m. or something around there. I've been trying to get up at around 7. Yesterday and today I tried. So yesterday was a foul, but today I did it. I've been working out at 7 o'clock and getting my life ready at 7. So pray for me. And also, what the heck is up with my bangs? Bye, guys.